window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds.
Oh my gosh.
Top the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in.
Welcome to my channel, Kiarasabrinaaa. Today, as you could tell, I'm doing my like Sunday reset video. Take y'all along with me. First of all, I have to make 2 TikToks showing the clothes that Temu sent me. This is not no little 10% or 30%, so you do the math. It's still going. I definitely have to record the clothes actually right there. And not only did they send me stuff, I also ordered some stuff on my own. Like orange bag is stuff that I bought. A DHL bag is what they gifted me. Show y'all the behind the scenes of me making those 2 videos. Get those up before the 31st, and today's the 29th. I went to the movies today to see Missing. I really wanted to see that first of all. But yeah, we're gonna do half after that. We'll see y'all in a little bit.
I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is real.
No woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Oh God, I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga cheat. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all out hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga cheat. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all out hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. Bitch, I'm G to the L to the O-P. You can catch me at a track of tennis, slime with your hoes. I ain't popping out at party, gotta put me for a show. They say I be living fast, nah, pussy boy slow. Hey, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means she scared, right? She put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night. Bragging on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyways, life's great, pussy still good, they still eat.
One pair of pants later.
Eating cake, wishing that a bitch rich. Got my foot up on their necks as a bitch should. On the front, I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N.
Much later.
Them little ass shits. BFFR. We're going to the movie theater. You drinking that right now. You greedy, I know you.
I've been thirsty.
Just buy something to drink there. Just have this for now.
That's how I said.
I'm not gonna lie, my face is sweaty. Last time I talked to y'all was earlier this morning.
Going Lord.
Come on.
This shit's blurry, my guy.
It's sideways.
And blurry. There we go.
Reporting live straight from the trenches, everybody. Forgot to update y'all after I was doing my hair. We were supposed to go to Five Below, our news report.
So you gonna stay in the middle of the road?
I am. Wait till I get to the side.
No, it's I ain't.
Because they close at this hour. They close, we can't go there.
Oh, big G over here, greedy.
Yeah, we knew that.
Dropping a Skittle.
We're gonna get the rest of the snacks only at the actual movie theater.
want popcorn yet? I don't want it.
I'm gonna go try to get fries. You know we're there. You made sure I ain't no crazy in the back on this, just on this part.
I don't want to do all that shit. Go ahead, greedy. Pizza sounds good too, though. The pizza.
Two little thighs. I see where you can get Manhattan from when you little, but how old were you talking?
I was young, so I was still out here like 7.
I'll give you that. If you was like old.
Right now, right?
Word. Maybe. We got.
The beginning part was boring anyway.
Oh. No, I gotta see from the beginning. That's the whole point. That's what you gotta do. I need you to send me all of this. I hope when you send me it, it stays clear.
I gotta send you the part where
Sometimes it goes for the front camera.
my thick camera. I'm fucking with the $50 hat from
Urban Outfitters. All right, Urban Outfitters on the hat. Where the denim from? Where the corduroy? Where the corduroy?
Forever.
Okay, heard it.
Sniper gang, period.
Snipe. There you go.
That's where I got these from, I'm not gonna lie. And then the Uggs.
So I can see this. Now give me.
What you got on, shorty? What you got on?
Today I got a little bit of Temu on. Y'all go use my code down below for 30% off. A guest jacket my brother got me for Christmas. Real hot pink vibes. Glasses Temu, shirt Temu, sweatpants Temu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Easy bag accessory.
You know what I'm saying? That's what
Okay.
movie vibe.
There's 6 on that side.
Thank you. Movie theaters always be having those parts where nobody be in, like. To tell y'all how this movie was when we, well, hold on. We got mad stuff.
About to eat good.
Yeah.
Snacks in the bag.
And we got snacks in his word. We got snacks in his bag. Stop playing with us. Okay, we're gonna catch y'all when we come out the movie theater and we're gonna let y'all know how we think it was. Bye. Period.
Thanks for